Taranipan Suba Lok Sabha Mikhalgi to Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency da Naga People Front NPF ki ticket da Mirep Oigadoriba Income Tax ki Principal Chief Commissioner Oiramba Thabakta ki Potharaba ke Timothy Zimik ki Ngasi Mirepche Pisinkhre Ngasi nungthil pung amarom tabada Minister Khasim Basum amadi MLA Ram Muivana luchingduna NPF ki thaupuba singa loinana DC Thopal ki office complex yauraki tungda to Outer Manipur ST Parliamentary Constituency ki returning officer su oiriba DEO DC Thopal Ahanthem Subhas ki office ta changduna ke Timothy Zimik ki Mirepche Pisinkhibani Mirepche Pisiluraba matung paumi singda wangangladuna ke Timothy Zimik na mahakna Bot lepakpa amadi vote karaba matungda tawgadaba thabak thoram kaya gi matangda wafum kaya phongdokhi.
Want to fight the election for the Outer Manipur constituency as we will be representing the Manipur state.
I have the mandate of my people.
In the chance
all communities
covered
by this outer constituency.
So what will be your priority, you see, that will be given after you being elected?
After getting elected, my first priority will be to bring peace in Manipur, and the second part is to have development in the state. That is what.
There we have a little apprehension in the part of the some few days back because from the Thawal netizens and with that of the Kaching has come out with the social media that has called a press meet with regards to the Ansan demanding the ST to withdraw the ST to the governor. They said that such type of representation should be removed unless or until they are not going to cast vote for any sort of community. See, this is what they have said. So how do you
I have seen the report. When I see the report, I will react to it.
Okay. So how do you feel, you see, today yourself, after your retirement, after being in IRS?
I'm very happy to be here. And I intend to do a good job for my people.
Do you really believe in the ethnic part of politics being played in the state, or do you take it as a general?
Your question is not very clear to me, so no comment.
No, okay.